Good morning, Mike from the rural Montana family. It's 8:30 this morning. I've been already outside for almost 2 hours shoveling snow. We've been under winter storm warnings and advisories for a couple weeks now at least. But the last 2 days it really hit, especially yesterday. We got about 15 inches of snow just yesterday. And the worst part is the tractor is down. Let's go shovel snow. Well, before we go outside, I actually just came in. I would assume I got a bad hair day, but that's fine. You know, I gotta wear a hat out here. It is about 17 degrees this morning, Fahrenheit that is. And so when you shovel, you start sweating. So, but anyway, I've been out there. I cleared the upper part from the carport down into the driveway and the upper part of the driveway. And after the county snowplow came by twice on the road down here, I went down below and cleared whatever the snowplow put in front of our driveway so that Jamie can drive out. She's got an appointment this morning, and so she just left, and now I came inside to rest a little bit. And so I'll rest a little bit and then we'll go outside and I show you what's going on out there. I'm back outside. It's been about 45 minutes or so. Need to rest a little bit. Needed to put new clothes on. Yes, it's 17 degrees out only, but if you're working shoveling snow, you get sweaty. I mean, I was soaked, so I had to change complete set of clothes. Also, it's been snowing, so you're also getting wet from the outside in, which means you gotta change your clothes frequently so you don't get sick. But anyway, we're back out here. Look how beautiful it is. I mean, this is winter wonderland, no doubt about it. There's a little problem with winter wonderland. Winter wonderland is pretty dangerous and pretty tough. So we're here at the bottom of the driveway. Our road is a county road and it is a school bus route. It's the longest school bus route in the county. And Jenna, our daughter, spends 1 hour every day in the morning and 1 hour in the afternoon on the school bus. So, but yes, snowplow comes through here, and so this morning I already had to clean out this area so that Jamie was able to get out with the car after the snowplow came through. And as you can see, life goes on in Montana even when we have snowstorm warnings and 10 inches or more of snow every day. Even out here, the delivery trucks still show up. And school is going, so we got over 10 inches, 12, 15 inches of snow yesterday. But everything is pretty much going as normal around here, except for us. The tractor broke, can't use the snowblower. The starter is broken, we're waiting on parts. We have a side-by-side with a snowplow, or that has a snowplow for it. And well, it's been broke too for a while. It has carburetor issues, but I didn't think I would need it through the winter time because I got a nice snowblower, right? Well, so much for that. So they're both down, and Jamie had to do all this by hand yesterday. She did about 98% of this by hand. Luckily, we have a super nice neighbor. He came over with a walk-behind snowblower and helped her out a little bit towards the end. But yeah. So I shoveled the bottom of the driveway this morning because there was an additional probably I don't know, 6 inches or so of snow from the plow, heavy snow, and we gotta get that out of the way before we drive over with the car and pack it down. But yeah, there's another 3 inches of fresh snow on the driveway. Also, you can see right here that here up to here, I think, up to this area, our neighbor came with the snowblower, and then he went up above to do some up there. This is the snow berm from shoveling, and so we got to shovel all this, and we got to clean this here along the sides out. We got to take another 3 feet or so. Also, we got to get rid of the snow berm over here and push it further over the edge. Well, you wonder why. I mean, you can drive up here, right? Well, it's still snowing. If we get more snow, if we get another 10 inches, then what? Where are we going to put the snow? And another problem is right now temperatures are going up. It was 17 about 3 hours ago. It seems like it got 1 degree warmer about every hour. We're at about 20 degrees now. And forecast says it's going to be even above freezing. If that happens, the snow here all gets soaking wet and moist and heavy. Then it'll be extremely hard to move. Also, if we keep having snowfall, well, the snowfall will eventually turn into rain. And well, then there's no more moving snow. It's going to be so heavy. And well, then it gets cold again overnight, and it will freeze solid. And once these snow berms freeze solid, you're not moving them anymore. So you can see here I shoveled 2 here this morning already, this area, and over here I pushed the snow over, and I got to do the rest of it all the way down. Still got to do all this. So up here in this area, this took me about about an hour 45 minutes or so, I think. Excuse me. But remember, like in this area right here, the deep snow was already gone. I just had to cut out over there an additional about 3 feet. So, and then we still got all this up here. This is basically our little roundabout. So the driveway is kinda along here in front of me. Where is this? Right up here. That's kind of where we got driveway. Then you can see the snow piles up there. That's where the driveway ends. But it goes all the way out there behind the truck, so that one can actually come up here and drive around this way to get back down. And like UPS and FedEx really like that when they deliver something. We parked this one out here last night. Now it's nicely snow covered. This one's been sitting there. You can see it grew about a foot. It's a foot taller than usual, but you can't tell because the ground came up that much too. And look up there. Oh, where is it? Right up there. Up. Can you see this little white dish sticking up? That is our Starlink satellite. I wonder how deep it is actually buried on the other side. I may have to climb up there and look and see, because this may get buried and then we lose our internet out here. So, well, it is beautiful. It's nice and quiet. Can you hear it? No, you can't, because there's no noise. It's, excuse me, it is beautiful out here, and certainly that's a reason why we're out here, but it is tough out here. This is physical labor that we got to do here because the tractor is down. And I guarantee you this snowstorm will scare a lot of people that moved to Montana during the summer. A lot of people were moving around the country, you probably know that, and yeah, they may not be used to snow like this, especially not this quick. But like I said, we've been driving yesterday and the day before. We drove 400 miles total during snowstorms. No big deal. School is open. No big deal. School bus was driving here. So life is going on. And well, I need to get shoveling. I also need to I need to dig out this thing right there. Look at that. Holy moly. Yeah, I need to get the bolt dug out. Excuse me. And yeah. Well, we got our work cut out today. This will take all day. Shoveling like this here for an hour, 40 minutes, required about 45 minutes rest after that. It is hard work, and I'll probably be sore tonight, but well, that is life in rural Montana. So this thing here is our snow shovel. Many of you probably never seen one of those. They're probably only around in areas with lots of snow. They gotten replaced by snowblowers, since snowblowers became a lot cheaper, smaller and bigger, every which direction. So we picked this up many years ago at Goodwill, a second-hand store, for a couple dollars, and it's done great for us. It does have a metal edge on the bottom, so it can actually cut through the snow a little bit. And well, you'll get to see me using this thing as I'm working my way down the driveway here. So one of the cool things with this is you can lift it up and dig into the snow, or you press down a little bit and easily glide over the snow. I don't know, snow quite a ways off there. And I gotta start working on this snowboarding here too. So somewhere here is where the driveway ends. Well, definitely there. Okay, to get that snow off. There we go. I got this wall pushed off over the edge. Whew, there's a lot of work. By the way, if my face is red, it's not because there's something wrong with the camera, because I'm hot, I'm sweating. But yeah, I went all the way down there. Down there, it gets flat, so I can no longer just push the snow over the edge. Now I actually gotta get under it with the shovel, go under, kind of lift it up, push it over the snow, over the top of it. So that makes it even harder. Now that I got this side off, I gotta start working on this side here and throwing this snow down. So some of you might ask, why don't you throw it up there? Well, with this, I can't throw it up there. This carries so much snow, you're not gonna lift that. So I would have to take a small snow shovel or a regular size. Tell you what, if you got a bad back like I do, you're not gonna shovel this up there because you're bending over constantly and you're lifting constantly, and that's gonna kill you. This here, I can do heavy loads because I just have to push. That's all I gotta do. I can get under, get a load and back out, drop it off, or I can go push through and bring it all the way over. So I gotta work on this, and then obviously we got about 3 inches of snow on the road surface here. So as I'm moving this over, I usually also kind of clear this along with it. And yeah, but long ways to go. Better get going. We're burning daylight or something. I think that's what John Wayne said. There's one that unloaded. Still going. There's actually the wood pile, so I blocked quite a lot of it and it went this way and that way, but there's 3 that unloaded, and I don't know if you could see any of that, but yeah, the wood pile blocked the snow from coming over this way. Whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh! Look at that! I don't know if you could see this in the camera. Holy guacamole! Did you hear that? I don't know, since I'm wearing the microphone. Holy moly! Let's look if we can see this a little closer. Let's see. Up there, where is it? Let's zoom in. Wonder if we can see it. Where is it? Right there. Can you see the power lines? Look at the power lines going. Where's the branch? Can we find the branch? Right there's the tree. I don't know, I see it touching. I'm too high. Oops. Those are the upper lines, I think. Right there, look at this. Can you see the lines? They're twisted. They're touching. Look. The branches are laying on it. And oh, the car alarm just went off. The Chevy Bolt is plugged in and it just lost power. So we just lost power out here. Holy moly. So right there, you can see it right there. Those 2 lines are twisted. Looks like the branches, or that branch is actually caught in between. And that's it for power for us. So, yeah, that's how quick this goes out here. I seen a truck from the power company go up earlier. And I don't know if they can even get a hold of them out here. That's the other thing. There's no cell phone reception out here. Holy moly. I don't know if you've seen that at all in the camera or if you heard it, because I'm wearing the microphone. But I could hear it. I mean, this was like an arc welder on steroids, and I could see the fire from there through the corner of my eye. It was freaking amazing. So yeah, welcome to life in rural Montana. So maybe think about this before you want to move out here. Because life out here is not as easy as it seems. I mean, there's no heavy snowfall today. There's no huge winds, no blizzard warnings, nothing. It's actually supposed to be warm today. And there we go. That happened just like that. Well, I can't change that, but I need to get back to work. Over here, this is the tree. This is the piece that triggered my interest. Let's look at it. Doesn't look any weird, but look at this here. Look at all the, well, debris, I guess. And let's see here. Right there. Yeah, the branch is right in between the 2 lines. So, wow. Yeah, we shortened out up there. So, yeah. And then down here, this is all the shit that fell down. Interesting, yeah. It's way up there. right there in this area. We got lines there. Those are the lines that caused the short right there. And what happened is that tree branch is usually lower, way below that. But because it was loaded with snow, it was bent down. And as the snow fell off, it popped up. And it got caught in between the two lines, shortened the two lines out. Here, man, look how much I gotta go. Man, still gotta do all this. Already been another hour into it. I'll see if I can go another 30 minutes, maybe 45. But then I need another break. I'm already soaked again. Well, let's get back to work. How's it going?
Everything okay?
Yeah. Are you looking for a power outage? We have power out up here. Right up here.
Your power's out?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's right up there. The tree unloaded. See that branch?
Oh, yeah.
It got twisted between the two lines. It was a nice fire spectacle.
I'll bet.
And then the power went out right then.
Okay.
So,
good.
and I seen you go up earlier, so I thought you might come back down at some point.
Yeah. No, I'm glad you caught me.
Yeah.
I'll get my extendo out and we'll clear it real quick and then I'll go turn it back on.
Cool, appreciate it.
Yep.
All right. Back up, did a nice tumble there. Got a little deeper than expected. I don't know if you've seen that. If it's on the footage, you'll get to see it anyway. But I was trying to get down there, trying to catch the electric company guy's attention. Well, when I made my tumble, that sure caught his attention. So he stopped and, well, let's turn the camera over that way a little so you can see that. Let's see here. There's the tree. And now let's zoom in a little. Right there. The tree branch is, come on, move a little, everything's a little stiff. See the tree branch right there? It is nicely caught right there in the power line. And so the guy got his pole saw out and was gonna cut it. But then he seen that it looked like it was already snapped off and he was pulling on it and it came down. Well, at least this far. So now it's hanging up there. So now we got the tree branch hanging there, twisted in the wires, caught. So he went down the road and he has got to turn off the power. Well, he explained out of the 4 lines, only the 2 are probably out. The other 2 are probably still going. And so he went down the road where he can turn that other line or the other 2 lines off as well. And he'll come back up And then you got to get up there with the bucket and get that tree branch out of there. So we got lucky today. The guy did actually not know yet that the power is out up here.
Thanks for the heads up.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for fixing it.
Yeah.
Glad you came by.
We'll have it on in about 5 minutes.
Cool. Tree branch down. Well, we got lucky, that's for sure, that they were right out here. Okay, I think it's time for a break. If you think I deserve it or not, I'm gonna take a break now. Got it all the way down. Yeah, I got all this. Look at this highway. Oh no, look at this. Whoa! Shoot. Nice. Right back on where I plowed or yeah, shoveled. I don't know what you want to call it. Whew. Yeah. I'm a little out of breath. Whew. Well, it's time to go inside. Have a little more water. Maybe a snack, relax. And then in about an hour I gotta get going again. Oh wow, right here it's steep too. And these trees unloaded too. Dang. Yeah, I just cleaned this up this morning. Look at this. Ah, hell. All right, well, time to go inside and relax. Not sure how long I have been going here, but plenty long. So it is what it is, I guess. Look at our chain here. Can you see this? It's our rain chain. It is an ice chain now. It's solid ice. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, I'm going inside. I'll be back later. Back outside. The stuff's pretty crunchy now. Dang, all this rain. It's raining right now. It's been raining, snowing, really sucks. So, and you can see the tire tracks here. It's about a good half inch, maybe even an inch of snow. The UPS truck showed up. That's why there's so many tire tracks. 2 of them are from the car when Jamie came home. And then the UPS truck drove up here. He's got chains on it. That's why torn up over here quite some. But yeah, it's a good sign when the UPS truck drives up, because that means he likes the look of the driveway. So anyway, I came down here to collect my tripod, and oh, look at this mess. Look at this. Gosh. Holy moly. All right. Well, UPS truck showing up is a good thing. I mean, we always expect certain stuff. For us out here, mail order is better than sliced bread. We were expecting some stuff, but there was an unexpected package in there. The starter for the tractor showed up. The earliest delivery date was supposed to be Monday, and today is Friday. So that's a good thing. So I'm back outside because of that. I'm back in my first set of coverall that I've worn early this morning. And well, got it all sweaty, I guess. And now they're dried up. Changed my boots. Got a pair of new gloves out, new t-shirt and so on. Yeah, just gotta change out when you're sweating out here. So now, gotta see if there's a chance we can replace this starter today, because my tools are not here. They're in the trailer. The trailer is at a job site about 30 miles from here. Look at this beauty. I think it's the right one. Not sure. I mean, until I get the other one out, I have no clue. Here's the tractor. Guess what? It's buried in snow. Holy moly. Here we go. Here's the tractor. So let's look real quick. There's a good for the snow here. And well, I don't even know if I can show you the starter. Holy moly. Down in there. There, that's the starter right there. This thing right here, this big old thing. It's only attached with 2 bolts, and then we got a few wires going to it. That's it. So should be simple, right? Yeah, the problem is it's a little coldish, wettish out. It's 32 degrees now. Way too warm. I'd rather would have 20, 10, I don't care, colder. So this snow now here is all wet. So it's going to be a mess just cleaning the tractor off and getting to that starter. And yeah, it's coming down. It's raining. Not heavy right now, but it's coming down wet, so it sucks. Well, I need to quit complaining here and get the stuff done, so let's get on it.